Hello, Internet. So, we have another box of batteries from Jehu Garcia. Hey, it's time for yet another unboxing. We're going to take a look and see what the second group buy is all about. Okay, so here we have them on the desk. Let's open up this box, have a look at what's inside. Yes, it's always important to pack them with some desiccant. We got some Niso Dry. And these are Sony batteries. They are from Japan. Look at that, how nicely packed they are. And let's see what we got here. There we go. Just as promised. There we go, the SE18650s. So, again, I will be doing a capacity check on these cells. Now, these cells, as you can see, do come, they were meant for a vehicle. So, you can see that they are currently completely naked. They have no coverings on them, so I'm going to have to heat shrink wrap these to protect them. Alright, well that's it for this video. I will be posting another one shortly with capacity testing, and of course building a pack.